Activating now more of their original DNA.
Yes, that's what we just talked about a moment ago as well.
Coming from the Anunnaki. So is it true that there are now humans that are changing their cells from a carbon to crystalline base and also activating...
Generally, yes, there is more silicon in your system now.
And also activating the 13th strand of DNA?
The third.
The third. The 13th is what?
The 13th is on a non-physical level.
Right.
You are making more connections to the idea of the non-physical form of DNA, but in terms of your physical reality, you're only capable of actually manifesting physically 3 strands of DNA. Otherwise, if you had other strands, you wouldn't be in any way, shape, or form human.
Right. So the 13th that we're activating now that we didn't have before is on a non-physical level?
Yes.
And is it true that there are human beings now that are in more of a completion of that process?
There are a few on your planet who are exhibiting something farther along the path, yes. Most of them are in what you would call indigenous societies, although some are not. There are a few, very few, a few people on your planet who are several hundred years old. Even fewer that are actually in excess of 1,000. They mostly do not mingle with the rest of your society. Those that need to find them, find them. Most of you will not find them for quite a while. Nevertheless, they are acting as anchor points, holding the energy for all of you, knowing that you are heading down similar paths or not, but that those that are will be guided by the beacons that they are in radiating certain frequencies into more and more and more of yourselves.
And is it true that once we have humans have made the transition into it's called
fourth density reality?
Yes. That we then have access to, it's been called a divine blueprint.
Well, you have access right now. It's just that you're becoming more conscious of the access that you have, and therefore you're more capable of experiencing it consciously. So yes, it's all about becoming more aware of what you already have connections to and expressing those connections in a more aware state, rather than doing it unconsciously in ways that aren't always necessarily representative of what you prefer. That's the difference. You're actually becoming fully human.
Which is that what you were discussing previously with Homo galacticus?
Yes.
Would be what we're becoming from?
Yes.
Homo sapiens?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.